Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Zulaysnails. This is the scoops I ordered the other day. Last Friday the 13th she had her acrylic scoops, bling scoops, and gel scoops available. So I went right ahead at 7 and made my order. I got 3 scoops of acrylic and 3 scoops of bling. And I also ordered a few more little products from her. So yeah, and I just got these yesterday, which was Friday, and she did the scoop party on Wednesday live on TikTok. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get this open. I already did open it just to check and make sure, you know, everything was in there and stuff, but I didn't like take anything out. All right. So this is the bling scoop. This is three bling scoops, but yeah, you can see the big charms there, and there's just a bunch of, like, look at these, like little opal, some little, oh, this heart is beautiful right here, look at this. So yeah, a bunch of different bling in there. I love it, so much in there. Yeah, I love these big ones. So yeah, I think she said the next one she might do will be in April, around Easter time. Yeah, she was doing them last year like every month, and she said it was just too much. So yeah, I think she said April. But yeah, look at that, how gorgeous. Alright, so I got these sanding discs. I've seen these on a couple channels, but Pick Your Color, she uses it and it just helps. She said it helps the shaping. So this is like a little bundle. You get the disc and then you get some 50-piece sanding bands. Alright, so these are the sanding band. These are, I guess, 150 grit maybe. And then this is the actual disc. But yeah, they said when you shape it just makes it like so much easier. So I'm excited to try this. So yeah, I guess they're probably sticky and you just stick it on the top there. But yeah, I'll definitely be using that the next acrylic set I do. And then, so this is just the packing slip. All right, so this is just the packing slip. I got the 3 acrylic, the 3 bling. I got the monomer. I never tried her monomer. And then I got the sanding band. So the acrylic scoop was $35 for each scoop. The bling was $20, and then $37 for the monomer, and then $17 for the sanding bands. Alright, so yeah, this is the smooth set monomer non-yellowing. It's a 16 ounce, really good size bottle there. Fits the whole, almost the whole box. So yeah, I'm excited to try, since I have her powders, you know, I have some already too. I wanted to try the monomer, and I heard it's pretty low odor. So yeah, I mean, it's not a strong smell at all, so that's good, because usually you can smell it through the box. And then these are these were my 3 scoops that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the box. I'll be right back. Alright, so these are all the acrylics I got in my scoop. I got 13 acrylics, and then I got 1 glitter mix. Look at that, how pretty. It's got silver hearts and then red, and look at that shift in there, super pretty. So I got 2 glow-in-the-dark ones, which I'm excited about, the hot pink and the purple. This one I'm excited too, Princess Bubblegum. This one I forgot what she said because the sticker had fallen off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Oh, this one's also Glow Nude Pearl. So yeah, these are all 1 ounce, and then these are a ½ ounce. So yeah, I got 6 1 ounce, and then the rest were the ½ ounce. So I think that's pretty good. And this one's a chameleon. I can't wait to see that one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these, and then I'll be right back. I'm just going to be showing the colors one more time. These are the glow ones. Super pretty. I love them. They're so bright. That tan one actually glows green. I don't know why the camera wasn't picking it up, but and these are the pinks there, and then that tan one there, cappuccino, is really, really pretty, and the consistency is just amazing. I love working with them. I've done a couple sets already with them, and I absolutely love them. Definitely recommend. And these are the glitters here. They're so beautiful. That chameleon one there, oh, I can't wait to use that. So pretty. And then I love that one on the end. It's called Chula. So yeah, I'm slowly starting to build my collection from her. I need to get her top coat and base coat and primers, and definitely her bling adhesive. I need to get that. So yeah, I definitely recommend her products. I think she's going to do another scoop, she said, in April. So I'm excited for like the pastel colors. So, but yeah, I definitely recommend her products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.